got Bernie, Michael, heading down the Colwyn Peninsula. Side on into the waves, a little bit choppy. Sorry. Hold on. Here we go.
It's just, you think, you know, like this all the time, you can't fucking get up, you can't walk about, you can't cross over. You tossed them out.
Vera steering well. I'm trying to steer well, plus up. Working hard. The inside's an absolute wreck. Everything's gone everywhere. Blame the crew for that. Our destination is porthdinllien. Got about an hour and 15 minutes to run. We'll do the night there. Totally side onto these.
Keep some sailing now, we're doing it with motorboat. I blame the captain.
Gonna be less.
Captain doesn't care.
One less crew on the way home. Then you got Phil and Sheena down there somewhere. Diego.
Yeah.
Somebody tied.
Who?
Somebody was tied.
Tied?
Tied.
Oh, tired. Oh, somebody kept me awake all fucking night with his phone. Oh, his alarm on his phone.
What are we doing? 6-2 knots? A wee bit choppy out here. No. What's it like being seasick, Mike? Talk to me.
Terrible, mate.
Who's terrible?
You are.
Why? Could have just watched you be sick. Take your seasickness virginity. How do you feel? What's the sea like for you? Good morning, Monday today. Just set sail from porthdinllien. We're going to be making our way around now to Aberdaron. Bernie's on the helm today. He's doing a good job of steering us in the right direction.
God help us all.
Mike's pot watching. going to get in Bernie's way. So the weather's still a little bit crappy again today. That's where we just come from here. Sorry about that. Always the way when I get onto a video. Don't know, yeah, it's a bit hard to see that, sorry. But we're going to go through Barnsley Sound in a bit, which is this bit here, and then make our way into this little cove here. We've got the head sail up.
So it's probably got a bit.
Yeah, you've got a head sail up there, and we're doing 6.2 knots. But yeah, still a little bit choppy.
Yeah, we need to be at 12. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I saw you behind too much. I shouldn't put my main up really, but when we turn to the island, it's going to be.
Put the anchor on the bowsprit there, just in front of it. It was down here, but then it made that I wasn't able to use plate. I started marking, so when it was rough yesterday, the anchor was coming up and down and was scratching it. So I put it on the bowsprit. It's not the right anchor for it. This is an aftermarket one. It's a good anchor though. Does the job. I just nowhere to put it. I'm sure somebody out there will have a bracket I can hang it off of something. Okay, Michael?
Alright, mate. Good.
Good. So, sailing along nicely. I think we're averaging about 6 knots at the moment. But we have noticed if you were using an engine, there's a lot of green patches of seaweed, just big clumps of it everywhere. You certainly wouldn't want that going into your strainer. We've got about 3 hours to run. The anchorage we were in last night, it was pretty rough. We had that horrible little swell. So hopefully when we get down to Aberdaron, it'll be a little bit better for us and be able to get a decent sleep. Hopefully anyway. Would you like a decent sleep tonight, Michael?
I would. Very much.
But yeah, no, it's been good. I'd say yesterday's passage was pretty rough. It was uncomfortable. We were on the side all the time, just constantly being rock side. But yeah, today's a better day. So a little update to where we are. Just about to come around Barnsley Island. Barnsley Island now. We're going to come through and around and end up in this bay here. You've got to time it right across here because you've got a load of overfalls. Yeah. You don't want to be coming on full flood this way because you'd never do it. Just get it very, very turbulent. Just come. We're not doing too bad now. We've been 4.9. We've just put the sail down. All the wind's just gone. So under engine at the moment. One on the bow there, checking out for lobster pots. Got Mike on the helm. And then we got 2 other sailboats in Conwy over there. There's Barnsley Island. Certainly lovely out here though. There's Barnsley Island, mainland. Just coming through now, you can see you got a little bit of the overfalls. Now the tide's going with us thankfully, so they're not bad. You can see it comes through here at a great rate. So again, sorry about the video, it's the light coming off. So we've just come in between Barnsley Sound. Now we've got this little rock here, going to come in between it, called Caernarfon, and it's just there. See if I can get a better view from it. So yeah, there's Barnsley. And then when we get round this headland, Aberdaron, about a mile from there. Just got to watch out for all the lobster pots. Got Bernie's doing on the bow there. Lobster pot watch. Coming up to Caernarfon. Waves are picking up a bit now. Nice little landfall over there. To Aberdaron Bay. Just come around the headland now. I'm gonna try and do an anchorage around about here. Water come in. There's the bay. So we've just arrived at Aberdaron Bay.
That cheese you got, is
We've
it?
just come to this little
Oh, good thing about that.
harbour here. Well, it's not a harbour, it's did see a little boat going up onto the back of a tractor and then getting pulled away. 6.6 metres. So there's that little bay I was on about. Aberdaron town is just up at the Yeah, so we're going to spend the night here, and then tomorrow we're going to make our way back up then to Holyhead, and then around to Skerries Rock, and then we've got a bit of weather coming in on Thursday, so we'll set that one out on Friday, head back then to Conwy. Give it a go. Thank you. So we just landed on Aberdaron. Bernie.
Desert Island.
Desert Island. Well, no, we stopped just outside Aberdaron. So now we're going to walk along the Jurassic coast to Aberdaron to get some fish and chips. The waters here are crystal clear. Look at that. Crystal.
That's a good shot though, isn't it, that? Got in close, hasn't it, other boat? Yeah?
You okay?
Hi, thank you.
So, absolutely lovely here today. Sun's out, really warm compared to yesterday. Mike wanted to go home yesterday, but today he's loving it. I mean, what is there not to love about them? We got some fish and chips, I think.
We had a decent captain who put us near the beach.
Picking on me already. If we had a decent captain, I'd put them on the beach. Well, I thought because you needed the exercise of a park further away, you get a decent walk. Okay. Oh God, whoa. No. I'll have a current here. No, she's alright. Huh? Yeah. Current well fast. Good morning everybody. What a lovely morning it is today. We're leaving Aberdaron this morning. Crew getting breakfast on the go.
Yeah.
What are we having, Bernie?
Hey man, making it a no-go zone down here.
Meatballs and tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Mike's having some toast.
Morning.
So yeah, the plan of action this morning is we're going to be making our way up to the Skerries. So we're here at Aberdaron. Sorry about the quality of this picture, guys. And we're going to be making our way up through Holyhead and around to this little island here, which is the Skerries. There's a little anchorage in here. Yeah, it's really bad, isn't it? You can't see. So that's the plan. It's about 45 nautical miles from where we are. And yeah, but that's the plan. So we're going to put Vera on. Vera is our steerer, and go from there. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're about 2 hours and 44 minutes into our journey. We are approximately here. There's a little bit to run there before the tide changes, and we are heading up to Skerries, which is this little anchorage here, right in the centre there. Now, there should be a little anchor buoy on there, but it's not showing. And then from there tomorrow right across Anglesey down to Deganwy Marina, which is here. Currently motor sailing 6 knots. Got a depth of 50.1 metres. On the helm is Mike. Soaking up the suns, or the sun is burning. Both sails out. Land, well, land is away from us at the moment. Clear skies, lovely seas. What a fantastic day to be out. How you feeling, Captain Mike?
Nope.
Penny?
Aye, Captain. Captain says.
How you enjoying your trip today?
Loving it, mate.
Certainly better than the other day, wasn't it?
Sounds better, mate.
So yeah, we shall report back to you guys later. Even just about, I don't know whether you can see that, Ollie head is just on the nose in the distance there. Oh yeah, absolutely cracking day. So we've come across the bay, Aberdaron behind us there, 40 odd miles away. Coming up to South Stack now, point of Anglesey. Holyhead's just around the corner there. Yeah, great sail. Not a lot of wind, but we did motor sail. We are doing 8.8 at the moment. South Stack, and we're heading up to that little island in there. So still a little fair bit to run, but we are doing really well. The boat's being behave itself. Just coming over the notorious Overfalls, just off South Stack. But we've got the wind and the tide in our favour, so it's quite nice. Bernie's having a little rest. He's been on the helm for a couple of hours. Mike's just made us a brew. Done some maintenance on the way over. We had some silicone put along the runners because we're getting water coming in through the top of the window there. So we just put a little bit of silicone across the top, and yeah, see how that goes. Like I said, point South Stack Lighthouse. Lovely place if you're not been down there.
Yeah, go ahead, over.
Just lovely.
Yeah, I noticed you changed direction heading towards us now, over.
Got both sails up. Been up all day. And yeah, I'll do another video as we're going into the Skerries. Never done it before, so it's going to be quite a challenge. Just coming up to the Skerries now, coming to the end of our passage. So we are. So we're going to come in through. Oh, this is a tap. Can't see. Yeah, so we're going to come in through this little passage there, and then the anchor ball is there. This is going to be nice, I think. We've not been here before. None of us have been here before. Boat in front of us has, so he's kindly offered to show us the route in, which was that one I've just showed you on the GPS there.
Yeah, and you're on the port side, aren't you? So I'll come stop.
But yeah, we'll change over to to the other video. So I've got Mike on the front there with his video camera on. I'll concentrate on the helm and go from there. But it's, if you have a look, it's absolutely amazing. Holly Head over there, headland, and this is just a big rock in the middle of the sea.
I was just wondering why it's flat water there. What's the depth there? Over that bit? Oh, is it? Oh. When you shoot yourself, when you're going in there the first time, wouldn't you? You think, fuck this, wouldn't you? I ain't got, excuse the language. That would be scary. A lot of disturbed water there, mate. I don't know if you want to keep clear. Move over to starboard side. We do get a rope just for the tight of the wire as well, don't we? Tell me about this boy here, mate. Could have lasted a little bit, mate. Just come this way a little bit. Let's go over a bit more port, mate. Yeah, get over port. There's rocks here. More rocks here. Bit further forward then, pull off on it. You'll be alright now, mate, won't you? Clear of that. You watching this boat? What, the 80 fender store? Yeah? You finish filming, mate? You want to go back and hook on the rope? Yeah. Hook on the line. We'll get alongside.
Good morning, we are departing the Skerries today. Our route is back to Deganwy, which is all the way around here. Sorry about that. To Deganwy there. Approximately
72.
approximately 26 nautical miles. Yeah, we've got again crew, Mike, Bernie, we're just getting ready to go, so we'll leave it as that and we'll see you in a minute. Lovely sail here. Skerries. No, we didn't. We left yeah, Skerries. It's nice, no engine. Pure sail. So guys, joining us again. We're just approaching Puffin. We're just coming around the side of Puffin there, heading for Deganwy. At the moment we're doing 6.5, sometimes touching 7. So both sails up.
Fuck! Jesus, stupid fucking pan!
Oh,
Can't get
Bernie's
that
kicking off on the pan because he's just burnt himself.
Don't
He's pissing himself laughing. I'm on help. It's been lovely. Great Orme in the distance there.
Kill too much better, so you'll lose your soup.
Right. So, I shall see you later. So, we have made it back to the Deganwy. Shoot over there. Just coming down the Conwy River. There's Conwy Marina there. Been an amazing 5 days. Just got the GP. So we've done 31.6, 5 hours. Yeah, really pleased with that. We're going to head into the marina now, get up onto the fuel berth, shut it down and go home. Many thanks for watching.